Tough-talking Senator Ronald De La Rosa, chief architect of Upland Double Barrel that resulted in over 6,000 deaths during former President Duterte's illegal drugs war, has completely gone under the radar. He has simply vanished without a trace, with nary a word or whisper even to one of his colleagues in the Senate for being scared stiff over a potential ICC arrest. His extended absence from work has raised ethical questions of entitled lawmakers receiving pay without showing up for work, as our Luisa Erispe reports.
Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa has been absent for about 3 weeks, from committee hearings to budget deliberations. During the marathon of debates, de la Rosa's seat remained empty. And even during his supposed sponsorship of the Department of Defense, he did not appear, and Senator Sherwin Gatchalian took his place as the chair of the Committee on Finance. But Senate President Vicente Sotto III said even if he is absent, De La Rosa still receives his salary. He explained this has already been allotted in the budget, and his staff are still working even without him being present at the office.
Sa Congress nga, mayroong 10 taon hindi mapasok eh. Wala naman silang ginagawa, laging maangal eh. Diba? O ito, 2 to 3 weeks pa lang. Eh, kahit ano si Senator De Lima at saka si Senator Trillanes nakakulong. Talagang tuloy pa rin yung faction opisina nila eh.
If there are people who want to question the absence of De La Rosa, the Senate is open for complaints that may be filed before the Ethics Committee of the Upper Chamber.
Walang ganong rules sa mga legislators eh. In any of our rules or even in the Constitution. Siguro kung mayroong mga kababayan tayo na gustong tanungin itong ganyan, at saka let's say gustong panagutin ng isang legislator, mag-file sila ng ethics complaint. Ito na magandang remedyo para matalakay natin yan. It doesn't necessarily help for us to come out and amend our rules and say something like that.
But Senate President Pro Tempore Senator Panfilo Lacson had the chance to talk to Senator De La Rosa some 2 weeks ago. Lacson said De La Rosa even joked about his absence.
Sa chat group namin, meron kami lahat ng all senators. So, I found time na kumustahin lang siya. Sabi ko, kumusta ka na? Mag-ingat ka lang, gano'n. Ang biro niya lang sa akin, sir, i-break ko yung record mo sa pagtatago. Tapos may haha. Yun.
Senator Lacson gave a piece of advice to his colleague.
Ang advice ko sa kanya, kung wala siyang intention na mag-surrender, magtago siya mabuti. Ang advice ko sa law enforcement, hanapin niyo siya mabuti. Trabaho nila yan eh.
Senator De La Rosa is believed to be absent after information spread that there is already a warrant of arrest issued against him by the International Criminal Court for a crimes against humanity case. This is the same case with former President Rodrigo Duterte implicated in the war on drugs during his administration. De La Rosa has yet to comment on his whereabouts. But for Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano, the government should give the lawmaker an assurance that there will be due process for him here in the Philippines.
Yung gobyerno dapat i-assure si Senator Bato na mayroong proseso. Di ba? Kasi kung sasabihin anytime pwede kang damputin at dalhin sa ibang bansa, hindi ko sinasabing option sa lahat yun na wag magpakita. But when your life or liberty is threatened, you really think of options. So yun yung option niya.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.